Hello, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today's video I will be doing a unboxing of the Instant Precision Dutch Oven. I had it for over a month. You can see it's still taped up. Haven't even opened it up yet. That's why I was waiting to do the unboxing on camera, but child, listen. Okay, got my handy dandy box cutter. I'm still in rain. Okay, well, I'm going to get this box off the countertop because as you can see, this box is bigger than the countertop space that I have. And then I'll be back. Okay, on top, we have, I'm assuming, instructions, maybe recipes. I don't know. I haven't opened it yet. This is the lid. I'm going to unwrap all this. Seen this on Best Buy website, so I was like, okay, why not? Didn't know it was such a thing. So like I said, this is the lid, and this is cast iron, you guys. Okay, it's pretty deep. You can use the Dutch oven separate, or you can use it with the unit. And this unit also acts as a crock pot. Okay, and it also comes with, I guess, the grips for the handle. And this right here is a heat mat. Okay, so when you take, if this is hot, you take it out with your grips, of course, because the handles will be hot. Okay, so you would lift this up like this, and you would sit it on your mat, so you won't burn your countertop, or if you're serving it at the table. Okay. Let's see what's in our envelope. Okay, in the envelope you have the safety and maintenance manual. Okay. Then you have your instructions on how to use it. And you have your recipes. Okay. Thanks for watching.